Gents Sport 9.7 and Gents Sport 9.7. Thank you, judges. Thank you. That ends with our double ribbon senior women. So get ready, seniors, for the live stream competition. Court number 3. Court number 1, Paddy Stick Junior gets ready. Junior girls gets ready for the Paddy Stick. Also, junior boys gets ready for the Paddy Stick. Okay, let's set the our judges for the court 1. Headed by Master Don Jose Capol, Grandmaster Jerry Sibayan, Sir Alin Chan Itoriaga, GM Moyo, Ma'am Golani, and Nathan Balahaja.